The first question talking about a DNS, domain name system, is why we need it. So as a human being, we are very good with language and words, but we generally don't like to remember numbers that much. For example, if you have a mobile number, this mobile number, if it is mapped with, say, name Tom, then this Tom will be easier for us to remember rather than remembering this whole mobile number. Though it is possible to type in an IP address into a browser to reach a website, but most people want an internet address to consist of easy to remember words, and these are called the domain names. For example, if you see here, www.github.com is better than the IP address of the same. In 1970s and early 80s, the task of matching domain names and IP addresses, it was assigned to one person called Elizabeth J. Feinler at Standard Research Institute, who maintained a master list of every internet connected computer. This was unsustainable given the rapid growth of the internet. In 1983, Paul Mockapetris, he developed DNS, domain name system, an automated scalable system that handles domain name to IP address translation. So there are currently more than 367 million registered domains. So keeping all these names in a single directory would sometimes be very difficult and cumbersome. So like the internet itself, the directory is distributed around the globe on domain name servers that communicate with each other on a regular basis to provide update and eliminate redundancy. Another reason for creation of this DNS information distributed system is to boost performance. Now imagine if all requests coming in at the same time all over the world to resolve the domain name Google with the underlying IP address being handled in a single location. This means a single domain can have more than one IP address. For example, the physical server that your laptop or smartphone reaches when you enter the google.com is different from the server that someone in another country would reach by typing in that same site into their own browser. But DNS still gets you to the right place no matter where you are in the world.